A very warm good morning to my respected teachers and my dear lovely friends. My name is Ashrita Khan and I read in grade 7 Rara in FSC school. Today I am here to present a project work that was given by a science teacher. The project work was to make different objects that show first class lever, second class lever and third class lever, and just to explain them. So as we all know that lever are classified on the basis of load, effort and fulcrum. So there are three types of lever. They are first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. All these types of lever have different type of characteristics and different type of objects. So I have made some objects from paper. So I would like to show my objects. This is a crowbar. It is an example of first class lever. So in the first class lever, the fulcrum lies in the between of the load and the effort. So we should not think where the load and effort is. We should think that if the fulcrum is at the point, at the middle point, then only the load can be lifted. Or if the fulcrum is in the middle, the type of lever is known as first class lever. So while we keep our effort here, the load will be at this point and fulcrum will be at the middle, and while we just lift, the load will be lifted. So this type of lever is known as first class lever, and there are other examples of first class lever also, that they are seesaw, scissors, etc. So now let's move ahead to our second class lever. So in the second class lever, the load used to be in the middle of effort and fulcrum. So like you can see here, it's a bottle opener. It opens the lid of the bottle. Yes. So while we open the lid of the bottle, the fulcrum will be situated at this point. And suppose I am opening a bottle and I have to keep the effort at this place, and the load will remain at here. The load will always remain at the middle point in second class lever. So now I would like to move towards our second class lever. In the second class lever, I have made a bottle opener. So if while I am opening a bottle, the fulcrum will be at this side, and the effort I have to keep in this side, and the load will always remain in the middle. We should not think where the effort or the fulcrum may be, but the load should always be at any point between the fulcrum and the effort. So the type of lever in which the load is situated at any point between the effort and the fulcrum is known as second class lever. So some of the examples of second class lever is, you can see, one is bottle, next is wheelbarrow, and etc. So next one is a third class lever. In the third class lever, I have made a hammer. You can see here also I have written. So in the third class lever, effort is always between the load and the fulcrum. So we have to always apply the effort at the between, and while we are just hitting in the wall, then while we hit, the load will be at this place. The load will occur here, and then we have to apply effort here. Then the fulcrum will remain here. So the type of lever in which the load and fulcrum are at two different sides, and the fulcrum and the effort is at the middle point or at the between, it is known as third class lever. So other examples are nail trimmer, broom, shovel, etc. Thank you.